Ciao enthusiasts and welcome! Recently I was trying to find an ideal theme for my Miyoo Mini Plus running Onion OS, and I gotta tell you, there is a lot to choose from. And in this video I'd like to dive deep into the themes that I like the most and some other interesting one, and in the end I'll be telling you my top 5 themes. So let's get cracking! First one that caught my attention was this outdoor inspired one called Fire Miyoo. If you didn't know, I'm a big outdoors fan and this one is right up my alley. Beautiful sunset, game systems with a map underneath. When you wanna charge it, there is this cool circulating moon animation. Onion OS boot screen is also nice. Very impressive theme. Second one is A Link to the Past. Home icons are fun, game system icons are easy to read. Shutdown screen is Triforce. Boot up screen is a Zelda logo. And battery charging is this cool rotating Triforce. Background music could be better. Even though I'm not a huge LTTP fan, this one is a solid theme. Third is Analog. This one is very clean, black and white only. System icons are kind of isometric 3D. Power on and off is this analog symbol. And battery charging is same symbol but blinking. As I said, very clean. Fourth is Blueprint. Also very clean, with cubic background. Boot up and charging animation are also clean. Fifth, Cards. This one uses different font. I like it. It's simple but very thought through. See you at the power off. Blinking cards at charging. Thumbs up from Son of a Handheld. Also guys, if you are enjoying these videos, like and subscribe. More is yet to come. Sixth, Castlevania Symphony of the Night. There is also different font. Home screen from characters' portraits. Game over at the power off. Charging and boot screens are also sound. Background music could be a bit better in my opinion. Seventh, Cyber Onion. Sounds, background music, home screen, game icons are tight as hell. I've picked this theme straight as I installed Onion OS, and I gotta admit, I'm still a huge fan of it. This is what I call theme well made. Number 8. Fake DMG Classic. If you are a die-hard Game Boy fan, this one might be worth getting because of the sentimental value. Ninth and also a very compelling one is called Hazard. I especially enjoyed these animations when you scroll from main menu. Power off, power on and charging more than pleasant. I can always appreciate great theme and this one is undoubtedly one of them. Number 10 is Lilat system. Heads are opening mouths in the home screen when you scroll through them. Font is readable. Game over at the end. Miyoo presents at the boot. And charging icon is simple. 11th, Nano Switch Dark. Switch inspired theme. Home screen and game system icons are distinctive. I like them. Goodbye at the end. Miyoo Mini at the boot. Overall, very compelling one. Neon.ion reminds me of Cyber Onion, very uncomplicated but effective. Onion Block Concurrent, background music not bad, game icons and overall style is catchy, nice one. Onion Boy. Background music a bit annoying, not gonna lie, but there is something in it. Onion PS Dark Blue. Home icons are iconic. System icons are funny. Neat theme. Pac Miyoo. This one surprised me by its authenticity and attention to detail. From home screen to the scrolling Pac-Man in the settings, to the icons, and to the cool charging animation and the welcome screen. Again, theme well made. PSX theme is also worth showcasing. Bit hard to read because of the background, but certainly not bad. Rick and Morty Mini. Usually I'm not a big fan of themes inspired by movies or series, but this one is an exception. I approve. Super Onion Entertainment System. This is a fun one. Background music is catchy, and overall I had good feelings using it. There are so many amazing themes on a Miyoo Mini that I had hard times picking the best ones for this video. Synthwave is certainly no slouch, background music wasn't irritating, menu is clean, but System 9 was much more appealing to me. It is like old PC inspired, and I'm loving all parts of it, from the boot up onion to the it is now safe to switch off your Miyoo at the power off. Tech Dweeb, theme very characteristic to the fellow YouTuber, and I believe it certainly belongs to this ultimate list. By the way, did you know I never knew dweeb is a real word? I thought it was made up, but Offspring proved me wrong. Now this is something for me. Tony Hawk's Pro Skater 2 inspired theme. Totally sick one. Catchy music. Power off screen sick. Charging animation sick. Cream of the crop in my opinion. Last, but certainly not least, is a Tron inspired theme, and I dig it a lot. Minimalistic, with good background music, with sick charging animation. What else could you ask for? Now it's time for me to pick my top 5. It is based on my subjective taste, remember? And I'm picking Cyber Onion, Cards, Hazard, Park Miyoo, and Tony Hawk's Pro Skater 2. As I said, a lot of cool themes to choose from. I haven't even covered them all in this video. Which are your favorite ones? Let me know down below. Thanks for watching and peace out.